All right, tell me what's going on.
So the horn is going off when the wheel turns occasionally. It just started a week or two ago, and I'm not sure. Someone said it's faulty wiring inside the horn, so I'm trying to just disable it.
Oh, you just want to just disable it for now?
And so we're going to do it. They're going to do a diagnostic next week and figure out where it's coming from and everything. But for now, it's going off and it's becoming an annoyance.
I gotcha. Let me pull up.
The fuse.
No, I was just going to say, let me pull up a wiring diagram and I'll tell you which fuse or relay we need to pull. How's that sound?
That's fine. I think it's in the fuse box underneath the dash here. So.
All right, so it says main fuse box. You got a horn relay, and then there's looks like you got two different horns. So fuse 32 and fuse 33. So you can pull the horn relay, or you can pull both of those fuses.
All right. You said the main area, so that would be inside under the hood.
Hang on here. It doesn't actually say. Hang on. Let me take a look. Main fuse box. You got the horn relay.
All right, here we go. All right, and you said what were those numbers?
32 and 33.
32 and 33. I don't have any numbers like that here.
And where are you looking? Are you under the hood or are you inside the vehicle? And no, main fuse box is going to be under the hood.
That's weird, but those numbers don't register with the fuses that are in there.
Let's take a look here. Maybe you can look for the horn relay. Did you see the horn relay in there?
Will it just say horn relay?
Yep. It'll say horn on it.
Maybe it's one of those big blue ones.
It'll be a by inch square box, black or gray box. It's like a little plastic relay. Fuse box. Here, I think I found it. It's going to be on the corner of the fuse box.
Things are hard to freaking see even with a light. What were the numbers again? I'm sorry. One more time. 32 and 33.
Yep.
Definitely.
It's under the hood.
I'm looking right at the fuse box. 32 and